Hello everyone, in this video I will share with you how to make sound your ringtone on iPhone. Watch this video until the end and pay attention to what I do in this video. Here I give an example using recordings, but you can try using other files. This is an example of a file that I will use as experimental material in this video. Make sure the file is saved on your iPhone. If not, please save it first.
Please open notification. Please open notification. Please open notification.
Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.